Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hi mga kamoto, welcome back to my channel, TV June 101. Today, we're exploring the hidden gem in Thailand called Ban Itong in Pilok, Kanchanaburi province. So let's get started. This remote village sits right on the Myanmar border, surrounded by the beautiful Tong Papom National Park. Perfect for nature lovers and those who wants to escape in the city hustle. Tara, samahan niyo kami with my wife, Mami Daisy. So a little background, Pilok was once a booming mining town back in 1940s, famous for its tin and tungsten mine. But after the tin market crash in 1985, the mines closed down and the village quieted down. Now Ban Itong was revived as a peaceful tourist spot known for its cool climate, fresh mountain air, and constant fog rolling over the hills. Ang tawag dito, Land of Fog. So pagpasok ninyo dito, mayroong checkpoint, chine-check kung sinong papasok kasi ito ay malapit na sa border. So we're heading now to Nern Sautong Viewpoint. So before kayo makapasok sa Nern Sautong Viewpoint, ay mayroong checkpoint. Kinausap tayo ng ating mga kaibigang Thai Army. Pinapasok naman nila tayo. So we are heading now to Nern Sautong Viewpoint. Ito yung tinagurian nila na Flagpole Hill. This spot is right on the border where you see the Thai and Myanmar flag flying side by side. Sobrang ganda ng viewpoint dito. Perfect for photos and just soaking in peaceful vibes. Kaya lang bawal mag-take ng picture in corresponds with privacy and security reasons. So, nag-aakyat tayo sa viewpoint. Ito na area mga friend. On the right side, bawal tayo mag-take ng picture for security reasons. So, yun ang daan papuntang taas. So, nearby is the Mitra Hub checkpoint. So, medyo around 500 meters from the viewpoint. So this is the Mitra Hub checkpoint, border crossing point that's now open to public but important historically. It reminds us the village strategic location between Thailand and Myanmar. So ayan, pa-picture muna tayo sa landmark. So ito na yung lampas ng checkpoint na yan is already Myanmar. Some Thai friends sabi nila punta daw tayo sa likod, but medyo takot tayo. And Mami Daisy nagpa-picture, that's my wife, and then try nating pumasok doon sa kabila pero medyo takot tayo dyan. So now we're going back to Pilok or the Ban Itong. So from here we need to travel around maybe around 5 minutes. Medyo tahimik at maulan sa panahong ito nang pumunta kami. Kaya they advise na kung pumunta kayo ng Ban Itong, it's better to go there November kasi hindi masyadong maulan. Pero mas enjoy pag maulan, malamig ang panahon at ma-fogs. Foggy masyado mga kamoto 101. So our next stop, we will go to the Pilok mine itself. Ito ay harap lang ng ito ay parte ng Ban Itong. So one of the most see places here in Ban Itong is the Pilok mine. So we are heading now to that area. At napakaganda, sabi nila napakaganda. Yun ang parking space, meron ding helipad doon na area. So ito, we are now approaching the Pilok mine. So liko tayo dito ng pakanan. Yun ang entrance ng Banitong. Dito naman sa right side, papasok, this is the Pilok Mine. At makikita nyo, you can still see the old mining equipment and buildings. This is the old equipment for their minings before. So hindi nila tinapon mga kamoto. So makikita nyo dyan yung mga equipment dyan, yan yung mga equipment during the mining time. So ayan, preserve nila. A reminder of a village rich history. It's like walking through a living museum of Thailand's mining past. So of course, bababa si Mami Daisy at of course magpa-picture tayo dahil ito lang naman yung pwede nating kunin dito, taking pictures and leaving footprints. So mabilis na bumaba si Mami Daisy at nag-take picture para meron tayong remembrance sa Pilok Mine. So ito, napakagandang mga na-preserve nila yung mga equipment, pati mga sasakyan noong unang panahon pa. Hindi pa siguro ako na anak ng panahon na ito, mga kamoto. Napakaganda. So again, we are still using our Zontes 360G Enduro Maxi Scooter, and of course with Mami Daisy Diary. By the way, our camera is still Insta360 X3. Wala pa tayong pang X5. Baka naman. So now, we are done with the Pilok Mine and we will move on to our next stop. But before that, Mami Daisy sabi niya, we will stop over sa harap ng lake to take some pictures. So after dito sa Pilok Mine, pupunta tayo, the next stop will be the Nern Chang Sok Viewpoint, or what we call the War Elephant Hill. This is about 1,053 meters above sea level, and on a clear day you can even see the Andaman Sea, which is 50 kilometers away on the Myanmar side. So ayan na, palabas na tayo sa Pilok Mine. Ang harap pala na pinupuntirya natin ay yun yung village, Banitong village. May lake, ito yung parking space. If you use your car going here, you can park here also. So ayan, tapos natin mapapicture, ito yung lake, ito yung village. So tuloy-tuloy na tayo sa ating journey. Goodbye Banitong for now, and we were heading to the Nern Chang Sok Viewpoint. So medyo maulan pa rin, makulimlim pa rin ang langit at ma-fogs ang daan. Buti na lang magaling si Zontes 360G ang ating Enduro bike. So this is the last stop before heading home, ang tinatawag nila na War Elephant Hill. Maganda sana mga kamoto kung clear day siya, kasi makikita natin yung Andaman Sea na about 50 kilometers away from Myanmar side. So maybe around 3 kilometers from Banitong ang papasok right side ang viewpoint. Simentado ang daan pero may portion sa dulo na maputik pa. So at this moment hindi natin pinasok kasi talagang maputik siya. So ayaw ni Mami Daisy na sobrang maputik. So ayan, shout out sa ating mga friends dyan, Kubi Vlogger, Adots Tirador, and Shift Mars TV. So we are nearing to the viewpoint. So far napakaganda pa rin ng takbo ng ating bike, at so far napakaganda din ang ating kuha ng camera. So ito yung right turn, papuntang viewpoint. The viewpoint is inside a border patrol police base, but visitors are welcome also. You can camp here too, and also you have unforgettable sunrise or sunset experience. Kaya lang nung pumunta kami, medyo ma-foggy siya kaya hindi natin makikita yung Andaman Sea. So, don't forget to visit Ban Itong Market also for local snacks and souvenirs, and Wat Muang Pilok Temple, which overlooks the village and offer a peaceful spot for reflection and cultural insight. So this is now the Nermchang Suk viewpoint, or what we call the War Elephant Hill. Yung makikita nyo sa harap, yan yung Andaman Sea, 50 kilometers away sa Myanmar side. Kaso ma-foggy siya, kaya hindi natin siya makikita. So if you are looking for a chill getaway with nature, history, and amazing views, Ban Itong in Pilok is definitely worth the trip. Whenever you into hiking, photography, or just relaxing in the cool mountain air, this place has something special. Salamat for joining me today. Kita-kits. Till next adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel, DB June 101. We have our special playlist, DB June Moto 101. Before we end today's adventure, I just want to take a moment to thank God for keeping us safe throughout this journey. Salamat po, Lord, for your protection and guidance every step of the way. Amping kanunay, and may we continue to travel with your blessing and peace in our hearts. Until next time, mga kamoto, stay safe and God bless.